life be like. Yeah. My life be like.
Hello and welcome to Fox Gadget. Today we bring you 15 awesome gadgets that will transform your driving experience, making your trips more comfortable, safer, and stylish. From practical solutions for emergencies to technological accessories that seem straight out of the future, these products are perfect for any car lover. Get ready to discover innovations you didn't know you needed, but will want to have right away. So, get comfortable because we're getting started. Joyroom Transmitter. Is your car still stuck in the prehistoric era without Bluetooth? Well, the Joyroom Bluetooth FM transmitter is here to save the day. Just plug it into the 12-volt cigarette lighter, tune into the frequency, and your favorite music will play wirelessly. And if your car has a 3.5mm AUX input, even better. Forget about interference and enjoy clean, distortion-free sound. The great thing is that this transmitter mounts on the air vent, so it's at eye level, and you can operate it easily without distracting yourself. Its improved microphone with CVC 8.0 noise reduction makes your calls sound crystal clear, without that annoying background noise. Plus, it features Bluetooth 5.3 for ultra-fast pairing and a stable connection. All this for only $19, a small price to pay to turn your old car into a smart car. Folding sunshade. Forget about getting into your car and feeling like you've stepped into an oven, because with this foldable windshield sunshade, that's a thing of the past. Its umbrella-like design makes it super practical. Open it, place it, and you're done. Your car is protected in seconds. It's made of fiberglass and high-quality polyester fabric, which blocks UV rays and keeps the temperature much more comfortable. Plus, it's compatible with almost any vehicle, whether it's a small car, an SUV, or even a truck. And best of all, it doesn't take up any space because it stores easily like a normal umbrella. Thanks to its softened edges, it doesn't damage the interior or the glass, and its renewable PET material ensures strength and safety without any unpleasant odors. It costs $11. Exinfoc Bar Light Strip. The Exinfoc Bar Light Strip is the futuristic touch your car has been waiting for. Its LEDs shine up to 35% brighter than normal LEDs, making your car stand out even in the most chaotic traffic, day or night. With an IP67 sealed casing, they are flexible, super durable, and have a long service life, so you can forget about changing them all the time. Best of all, you don't need to drill anything. It comes with an adhesive stronger than school glue and accessories for secure mounting. It works with any 12-volt power source, allowing you to install it in trucks, SUVs, RVs, or even in your garage if you want a gamer touch. Plus, it has 5 different modes: brake light, turn signal, warning light, and turn signals on both sides, all in one strip. Prices start at $12 per meter, depending on the length you need. Autul SPT360. If you want to really check the health of your car's spark plugs, this gadget is like having a portable laboratory. The Autul SPT360 is a high-frequency digital spark plug tester that reaches up to 9,000 RPM, simulating the actual engine speed to show you precisely how each spark plug responds. The best part is that it can test up to 5 spark plugs at the same time, allowing you to compare one in perfect condition with the others and detect which one is failing without wasting time. Its digital display provides clear and accurate readings, ensuring a reliable diagnosis, whether in cars or motorcycles with crankshafts. It costs $70. Bicycle Rack. The West Biking Bicycle Rack is a vacuum suction bike rack designed to transport bicycles safely and conveniently on the roof of a car. Ideal for cyclists looking for a versatile solution for transporting their bikes on trips, this rack combines functionality, durability, and a sleek design. Made of durable aluminum alloy, it offers a sturdy construction that supports the weight of mountain bikes, MTBs, road bikes, and other types, with a load capacity of up to 44 to 55 pounds, depending on the model. Its vacuum suction system ensures a firm and effortless attachment to the vehicle's roof, compatible with most cars, such as sedans, SUVs, and hatchbacks. The rubber suction cups protect the car's paintwork and ensure stability, even at speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. It costs around $100. Headrest Monitor. The car headrest monitor is a device designed to provide high-quality entertainment in the back seats of your vehicle. With its 13.3-inch or 14-inch IPS touchscreen, Android 12 operating system, and multiple storage options, this monitor is perfect for long trips, families, or rideshare drivers who want to keep passengers entertained. This monitor features a full HD resolution IPS touchscreen, offering vivid colors and wide viewing angles for an immersive viewing experience. It runs on Android 12, allowing you to download apps such as YouTube, Netflix, or games from Google Play. It is available in 2 GB, RAM plus 32 GB storage, 4 GB plus 64 GB, or 8 GB plus 128 GB configurations, ensuring smooth performance according to your needs. Its price is around $200. OBD Resource Battery Tester. Keeping your car battery in perfect condition has never been easier than with the OBD Resource Battery Tester. This compact analyzer, compatible with 6 volts and 12 volts batteries, gives you a complete diagnosis in seconds. It calculates the actual cold cranking capacity, measures battery aging, and provides reliable data to help you decide whether you need maintenance or replacement. Its TFT color display makes the information clear and accurate, and thanks to its quadruple protection, there are no risks. It withstands reverse connections, overvoltage, and even warns you if the contact is poor. Compatible with almost all batteries, even those in electric vehicles, this $24 gadget is a small investment to extend the life of your car. Hydraulic rolling platforms. Rolling platforms are a set of wheel skates designed to facilitate the movement of vehicles in garages, workshops, or parking lots. With a load capacity of 1,500 pounds per unit, these platforms are ideal for cars, SUVs, and other vehicles, offering a practical solution for repairs or repositioning. Each platform has a pedal-activated hydraulic ratchet system that allows you to easily lift and move the vehicle without touching the chassis. They are made of steel and aluminum with corrosion-resistant paint, and their 360-degree swivel wheels ensure maneuverability on smooth surfaces. They cost around $60. ROUE Chassis Cleaner. Say goodbye to bending over every time you want to clean under your car, because with the ROUE Chassis Cleaner, your pressure washer becomes a pro-level cleaning machine. It comes with 2 improved rubber wheels and 4 fan-shaped stainless steel nozzles that literally sweep away dirt up to 5 times faster than a standard nozzle. Just connect it to your pressure washer extension with its 1/4-inch quick connector, and you're ready to go. Its elevated design prevents it from hitting the ground while you work, giving you comfort and effortless efficiency. For $52, it's the perfect tool for keeping your car spotless without getting your back or clothes dirty. Car mattress. This inflatable car mattress is a practical accessory for travel, camping, or emergencies. Compatible with most cars, including hatchbacks, it features a design with headrests and safety rails for children. Made of eco-friendly plush fabric, it is waterproof, durable, easy to clean, and long-lasting, with heat-sealed stitching. Measuring 80 by 135 centimeters, it offers comfortable rest. It inflates in minutes with an included air pump and stores in a compact bag, ideal for family trips, camping, picnics, or as an emergency bed in SUVs, recreational vehicles, or trucks. It costs around $60. Sea Metal Cooling Fan. Imagine yourself in the middle of summer, stuck in traffic, sweating as if you were in a free sauna. That's where the Sea Metal Cooling Fan comes in. This gadget attaches to the headrest and has 2 rotating fan heads that cool rear passengers as if they had VIP air conditioning. It's super easy to install, no tools required, just tighten the nut and plug it into the car's USB port. Plus, it has 3 speeds and 360-degree rotation, so the breeze hits you just where you need it. All this for only $28. Recovery Board. This heavy-duty recovery board is an essential tool for off-road drivers who need to rescue their vehicle in difficult terrain such as mud, sand, or snow. With a robust and portable design, this 105-centimeter traction board is ideal for outdoor emergencies, providing a practical solution for 4x4 vehicles, SUVs, and light trucks. Made of high-strength reinforced polypropylene, this board supports up to 10 tons, offering durability and wear resistance, even in extreme conditions. Its textured surface provides superior grip for tires, facilitating traction on slippery surfaces. It is priced at $43. Car water container. This car water container is a practical and portable solution for storing and transporting water in vehicles, ideal for camping, long trips, or emergencies. This large-capacity foldable tank, available in 110 liters and 240 liters, is designed to be durable and versatile, adapting to various outdoor needs. Made of double-sided PVC mesh fabric, this container is resistant to drops, rain, fire, and wear, and offers anti-static properties and sun protection. Measuring 39 by 23 by 15 inches for the 240-liter model, it weighs only 5.7 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to transport. Its foldable design allows for convenient storage when not in use. It is priced at around $50. Car garage. The foldable car garage and parking awning is a practical device, ideal for protecting vehicles outdoors. With a semi-automatic hydraulic design, it opens and closes easily, saving space when not in use. Made of stainless steel and 600D Oxford fabric, it is waterproof, UV-resistant, wind-resistant, and tear-resistant, protecting against sun, rain, snow, and dust. Available in several sizes, it fits cars, SUVs, and motorcycles. Installation is simple, with clear instructions, and its portability allows it to be used at home or outdoors. It offers complete protection, extending the life of the vehicle, and is priced at around $600. Autul SPT360. If you want to really check the health of your car's spark plugs, this gadget is like having a portable laboratory. The Autul SPT360 is a high-frequency digital spark plug tester that reaches up to 9,000 RPM, simulating the actual engine speed to show you precisely how each spark plug responds. The best part is that it can test up to 5 spark plugs at the same time, allowing you to compare one in perfect condition with the others and detect which one is failing without wasting time. Its digital display provides clear and accurate readings, ensuring a reliable diagnosis, whether in cars or motorcycles with crankshafts. It costs $70. Well, friends, with this gadget, we have reached the end of this video. Remember to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.